If you're willing, every moment of your life can be a fantastic experience. Just inhalation and exhalation can be a tremendous love affair. Well, anything that you allow in your life willingly becomes a super pleasant experience. Anything that you do unwillingly or allow unwillingly becomes a violation upon your life. So willingness is love, willingness is joy, willingness is the basis for ecstasy. Unwillingness is violation, unwillingness is a terrible experience of life. So if something that I don't like is happening, how do I become willing? Well, it's not just about switching